welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 24 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be doing the By Nature Honey Double Mask. It's a 2-in-1 sheet mask, so it has 2 layers. And I was reading the instructions here before we got started. I thought you put on the first one, took it off, put on the second one. You actually put them both on together. So I thought that was interesting. I wasn't expecting that. So it says that the first layer here is for hydrating and replenishing, and the second layer is for smoothing and firming. So smooths and firms. And this is another one with that New Zealand Manuka honey oil. It also says it has Elastin and Aloe Vera to soften and hydrate. So on the back it says double mask, double effect. Smooth and replenish your skin with the goodness of New Zealand Manuka honey and Elastin. Your skin will be left feeling hydrated, conditioned, and with more of a radiant glow. So it does list the key ingredient benefits, and we've gone over the Manuka honey before. It is unique to New Zealand. It's renowned for its remarkable smoothing, nourishing, and revitalizing properties. It helps to stimulate and promote healthy looking skin. It's rich in nutrients, vitamins, and amino acids, and it has an ability to moisturize and soothe distressed dry skin. Now Elastin, this is the first time I've seen this mentioned in a mask. It says it's found within the skin's connective tissue. Elastin functions by giving shape to the skin. Adding this protein into a mask helps boost skin productivity and promotes firmness while leaving a rejuvenated and smooth appearance. And then 2, that second layer is actually another one that you're like wrapping around your ears again. So I'm not looking forward to that. I really hope it doesn't hurt. So layer 1, hydrate and replenish. This is for best results. Thoroughly clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. Step 2, give your mask sachet a squeeze to evenly disperse the contents, then tear open. Remove the mask backing and gently place mask onto your face, smoothing to ensure a nice close fit. And then it says layer 2, smooth and firm. So you're supposed to hook the loops around your ears. Remember to gently smooth to ensure a nice close fit so the product is able to reach the skin. Sit back and relax and let the goodness of the mask condition and hydrate your skin for the next glorious 10 minutes. And then 3, it says discard your mask, clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. For an extra hydration hit, gently pat the excess mask serum into your skin instead of washing it away. So you can wash it off or you can leave it on. I'll probably leave it on. Alright, so that's layer 1. Okay, so layer 1 is on. I'm going to see if there's any more serum in here. I got a little bit out. Here's layer 2. I don't understand why this one doesn't have the backing. If one did, why wouldn't the second one? I don't know. I don't come up with this stuff. Okay, so there are hoops for your ears around the face of it, and then there are hoops for your ears for the neck of it. It does smell pretty good. I'm guessing my hair is going to be pretty nasty after this. It's okay. I put this root volumizing stuff on my hair Saturday night, and I haven't washed my hair since then, and I don't like the way my scalp feels right now because of it. I really don't like putting a lot of product in my hair. Okay, so this is actually pretty loose, so it's not that bad. It's not pulling. So I don't really know how much firming it will actually do because of the fact that it isn't very tight, but I'm okay with that because I don't really like pain. I don't think we need to have pain anymore in beauty. It's just not necessary. But I do like this, that this goes around your neck. That is kind of nice. More mask should do that. I hate that it keeps going over my lip, but that's probably because I'm yapping. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of serum in here, but I could be wrong. I felt like it was pretty juicy. Yeah, that's not really a lot, but there is some. Put it on my neck. Okay, so it says to leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes, but I'm going to be honest, it's probably going to be longer than that. Mainly because I'm busy working on laundry and different stuff like that. You ever have one of those days, you know, you have tons of stuff that you need to do, you never get done, never get done, never get done, and then you have a day all of a sudden where it's just like, you can't stand it anymore, so you're doing it all. I've taken out the garbage, I've gone through the recycling, I've gone through some stuff that I put in for, you know, rummage or whatever. I've been doing cleaning bedding, cleaning towels, doing laundry. I'm just like, oh, I can't take it no more. Like, it's got to get done. It's got to get done. And just like little odds and ends here and there. I went through the fridge and threw out old food. Ugh, and just couldn't take it anymore. I don't know why I put stuff off like that, but I do. Okay, we have got the timer set for 10 minutes. There you go. We will probably be back in 20. Okay, so we are back. I probably had this on for about a half an hour. So it's time to take it off. I definitely feel like it has gotten dry. I mean, it's not like completely dry, but most of the serum has dried up. And then it did say again that you could either rub the excess product in or you could wash it off. I'm just going to rub it in. I guess if later I feel like I need to wash it off, I can certainly go do that. I feel refreshed. The mask did smell good, so I enjoyed that. And again, this claims that you are being hydrated, you're being replenished, and your skin is being smooth and firmed. Let's see what else we got on here. Well, your skin will be left feeling hydrated, conditioned with a more radiant glow. So I definitely look glowing. Again, as always, the serum is still on my skin, so that does help with that. As far as feeling like firmed and all of that because of like the uplift, I don't really think that that did much, just because of the fact that it wasn't very tight, but I'm fine with that. I really didn't enjoy that one we did that wrapped around and it really hurt. I didn't think that was necessary. And also, I'm not really that old, so I don't really feel that I have issues yet with sagging skin, and I do try to keep pretty good care of my skin. I'm just looking here, it says, you know, you're supposed to feel nourished, moisturized. Another thing here is the healthy looking skin, so the glow. I definitely say yes to all three of those. I definitely feel moisturized. I feel like I got a glow. My skin feels fresh, feels good. Only thing that I would say is the firming part with the little neck part or whatever. I don't really feel like that did anything. Other than that, I like this mask. I think it was a lot of fun. I would definitely go up to Walmart and see if they still had more and grab some more. I think the fact that you're putting 2 face masks on really helps let it sink into your skin as opposed to just, you know, just sitting there and not really getting sunk into your skin really well. So yeah, I think that was really cool. So that's everything for this mask. If you've tried it out yet, if you're gonna go pick it up, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.